Good morning, this is Carla Hanson with Purple Lamb Fiber Arts. I'm about to start the Spin Together competition today, and I am putting new leaders on some of my old bobbins, and I got a couple extra bobbins as well. I thought I would take a moment to show you how to put a leader on a bobbin. So this is the thread I use, or am using right now. It's silk, and I really like using silk because it's super strong. You can also use kind of any string you have. That works fine too. I'm going to go ahead and cut this at about the length of arm to arm, and I'm going to take it, fold it in half, make a little space for a loop, loop it over, make a loop, and I'm going to put that over the bobbin itself, make it nice and tight. So this makes it so that it can move around, but it doesn't move when you don't want to, hopefully. All right. And then I'm going to go around to the other side and make a square knot here. It's a little hard to see, perhaps. Make it nice and snug again so that it just stays firm. Alright. It's not quite as snug as I'd like it to be, but it will do for now. Alright, and then the last step is to make a little knot at the end to attach your yarn to. Now, not everybody likes a knot. Some people like to just attach it directly to one thread and just keep going. You see I've got two threads here. That makes it so that if the end of the leader gets messy, I can just cut it off, make a new knot, and keep going without having to put a whole new leader on. I'm going to cut that down, and there we have it. New leader for a new bobbin. I hope you find some time to spin today, and I hope you have a great time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.